So first of all, look at the siding. That's just not good. So it looks like the roof was original, so it's probably going to need to be replaced. All the eaves have wood rot, chipping paint. And on this side, you've got this tree that's rubbing up against the house, and there's this huge hole. You can see it. I'll zoom in. So all this is going to have to be fixed, replaced. These trees need to be cut back. But on a good note, the AC looks really new and in good shape. You're going to need a big notepad to list all the repair items for this one, unfortunately. The front doors are all messed up. The flooring is completely shot. There are some tile spots like in the kitchen and this entryway, but all the carpet is just nasty. It's going to have to be replaced. I mean, this house is trashed. Luckily, you can't smell through the video, but you can tell there were dogs in the house because it smells very, very strong of animal odors. I mean, this is a fixer-upper for sure, so you got to have some vision. Heck, just imagining all the stuff out of it's a chore in itself. So it's a split floor plan. It's a 3-2. It's around a little under 1,500 square feet. It's a good sized bedroom. But besides being gutted, it needs to have a thorough cleaning. Oh God. There is a ton of stuff in this house. All right, so let's check out the garage. Holy Moses, it's just as bad. Well, it's gonna need a new garage door. That garage door is all torn up, destroyed. Like the hot water tank might be over 15 years old, so that's gonna have to be replaced. There's an inside laundry. Fireplace. This slider's gonna be replaced. It's totally shot. Say the backyard. It does have a nice big flat backyard. It looks like it backs up to a retention pond, so you're not gonna have anybody build behind it. I mean, it's really a nice big backyard. This house needs so much work. The kitchen appliances are trash. You can look at that stove. It's all beat to hell and back. So you got 3 bedrooms. You've got a formal dining room. You got a separate little den office. And you've got 2 bedrooms on this side of the house. One right there. Your second bathroom. And your third bedroom back here. So basically this side of the house just needs to be gutted. Carpet and paint, and it's good to go. Well, the only good thing, the AC looks really new. I mean, it looks in really good shape, so that might be one of the best positives. But anyway, unfortunately, they've got to sell it. Something's got to be figured out because it is a divorce situation. But luckily, they should have enough equity and numbers in the house where they can be able to sell it and walk away from it without having to go short or anything, but got some windows that are gonna have to be replaced, busted seals. Yeah, this house is gonna need a good bit. It's a mess, but you know, somebody's gonna buy it and rehab it and fix it up. It'll be a good deal for somebody. Anyway, if you have any questions, want to learn more about investing in real estate, buying houses, selling houses, whatever, call me, 850-332-2050. Send me an email. Hit the subscribe and like button below. And have a great day.